Hi and welcome. My name's John from Rockingham IT Solutions. I'm the director here, and this is Ken, my leading workshop technician. Now today we'd like to speak to you about the Windows 10 licensing agreement. So Ken, can you tell all our customers out there what they would be expecting if they actually upgrade to Windows 10?
Okay, the first major issue with Windows 10 upgrade is you only have 1 month as a trial. If you don't roll back after that month, it's locked out. You're capped onto Windows 10. It deletes all rollback partitions. It also, when you do upgrade, it'll actually overwrite your old rollback partition. So you have 1 month from installation to decide whether or not you want to go back to your old operating system.
So the main operating systems that it's going to be a problem with, I believe it's going to be Windows 8, Windows 8.1, where it doesn't have a license key written on the bottom, and it's something to do with the BIOS it's locked into?
This is correct. When Windows does its installation, Windows 10, it actually takes information from the computer and actually places its key, which it uses to register itself, in the BIOS. On the Windows 8 system, the key is built into the BIOS. They don't come with the key underneath the laptops or on the side of the computers like they used to do in the old days with Windows 7. So when it upgrades, it overwrites this key. Even when you roll back, that key is still a Windows 10 key. So if you put in a Windows 8 disk to reload it, it actually won't load because it doesn't have the original key anymore. So you are now locked into Windows 10 from that system.
So really, if you've got a Windows 7 with a proper key on the bottom, that's good. If customers are doing the Windows 8 upgrade to the free Windows 10 and they run into problems, what's going to happen after a month then, if they have problems with their computer?
Well, basically, when you roll back, if you fail to roll back and your system falls over, you now have to go out and buy Windows 10 to use the upgrade, because you can't install Windows 8 to upgrade to Windows 10 anymore, because you can't install it. It doesn't have the original key. You have to find an original copy or a retail copy of Windows 10 and install that. So if it does fall over, you have to buy Windows 10.
So in essence, really, anybody with Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 that doesn't have a key on the bottom and they have upgraded to Windows 10, they should do a system recovery disks at the moment?
Yes, definitely. If your system's stable at the moment, create a recovery disk so that you can roll back to that using those medium. Otherwise, you are looking at the cost of a Windows 10 upgrade, or installation purchase rather. Okay,
and so if that happens, then what they're looking at is a Windows 10 brand new key, which is approximately around about sort of $250, plus the labour and all the installs, which could be sort of quite expensive then.
It can be very expensive. You're looking at the cost of the actual operating system, which is Windows 10, plus the work that requires to actually install that system. Also, the key is bound to the hardware. So if you change a hard drive, you now have to buy a new copy of Windows 10.
Oh, okay, wow. So yeah, that's very informative for our customers. Thank you very much for that. So really, if they haven't done the Windows 10 upgrade and they don't want to go ahead with it, is it best to call us out?
Yes, we can certainly disable the upgrade before it goes out. I definitely recommend it. If you have an operating system with Windows 7 or Windows 8, get someone to do a backup for you. Otherwise, yeah, if you've already upgraded, definitely, if it's stable, run a backup straight away.
Okay, well, thanks very much for that, Ken. I'll speak to you later.
No problem.
Okay,
Pleasure.
thanks.